Hi, Jaden. I'm okay. Hi, girls.
Push me.
You almost... Hi, Auntie Claire. Hi, Kaylina. Hi, Chin. Hi, Jaden.
Go under me. I like this. Go under me from the back.
Whoa. Okay, now that was pretty scary. I could not do that. I will get hit. Why you want to kick me? That's a brat. You're a brat. Look what you are. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, this is a good stretch.
Exercise at the park.
Yeah, you'll get stretch.
All right, say bye, guys.